Hey, it's Frankie Cola. Today I want to talk to you about how to make your girlfriend want you more when she's distant. So your girlfriend isn't as eager to see you as before, and you're getting deeply concerned about it. It seems like she's fading, so you want to know how to get her attention back. How do you do it? In this video I'll reveal a female psychological loophole that makes her want to spend more time with you. But I have to warn you, the advice I'm about to give you is a bit controversial, and you'll probably feel resistance to follow through with it. If you're up for it, I encourage you to keep watching. Okay, now let's start with a question from our good friend Ernie, who's in the same situation as you. His question is, "Hey Frankie, I've been regularly seeing my girlfriend on the weekends and we've been having sex, but I want to see her during the weekdays as well. She says she is busy, however, so we've been having some ups and downs. What do I do to make her want to see me more? Ernie." My reply is, "Hey Ernie, don't consider that a down. Having periods of silence in between dates is part of how attraction builds, and wanting to see her every day will make her lose attraction for you, so be careful with that. You want to have her all week, so it worries you when she doesn't want to see you during the weekdays. It's something she resists, so you feel bad about it and think it's a problem. However, I encourage you to view this as a positive. See, when you first start dating a girl, it's vital to create space in between the times that you see her. But when you crowd her space, or if you complain that you want to see her more often, it makes her lose attraction because she senses you feel too needy for her. Now at this time, your girl isn't attracted to you enough to want to see you every day. However, she is attracted enough to see you in the weekends, and that's what's important, that she is attracted. Accept that this is where you're at right now and start working from there. Now your goal is that you want to make her be the one who says, "How come I only get to see you on the weekends?" You want her to be the one asking to spend more time with you. How do you make this happen? To progress to the next level and make her be the one who asks you for more, you gotta create space during the weekdays and save most of the interaction for the weekend. If you crowd her space during the weekdays, you stop her from wanting more because it kills the mystery. In other words, you don't give her the gift of missing you. Now, it's alright to answer some of her texts during the weekdays, but don't do so much like before. Okay? The goal isn't to have a relationship over text, but to send some brief radar pings, like saying hi with some positive emotions and some memes. Now it helps that you give yourself something to focus on and be busy about during the weekdays. That way you're not just sitting alone thinking about the girl. When you have a purpose, a career, or some sort of passion that you do that is other than her, giving her space becomes easier because you're naturally busy. Have you ever heard the term mystery and that you need to be mysterious? Here's how to use mystery to make your girlfriend want you more. So this is how attraction naturally builds up inside a woman when you are seeing each other. You have a fun, sexy date once a week, and then you create space and allow her to think about you in between dates. Then that space that lets her wonder about you is how you create mystery. The problem is that if you text too much in between dates and you want to make the relationship 100% lovey-dovey 24/7 every single day, sending her good morning texts, good night texts, and what have you, it kills the mystery and she feels smothered. So if your girlfriend is becoming distant, what do? You use space to create mystery. Hence, if you create space during the weekdays, she'll want you more during the weekends. And then in the future, she'll want to see you more during the weekdays as well. And that's how mystery happens. You have a period of quality time. You create space in between that quality time, in between those dates. This then creates mystery and makes her can't wait to see you again because she wonders about you in between. And when a girl is thinking about you in between dates, that's when falling in love happens. In this next part, I want to talk to you about the illusion of action. Look, let's face it, you probably feel resistance to giving her space. The fact is, when a woman pulls away, most men want to chase. We get a bad feeling that if we let a woman go and don't talk to her for a few days, that she's gonna forget about us and we'll end up losing her forever. So you feel that you have to do something about it to get her attention back. Coach Corey Wayne calls this the illusion of action. And this action can cause you to ruin a perfectly good situation if you're not careful enough. And I'll explain why. See, if a woman is hot and cold Those ups and downs have a reason, and falling for the illusion of action during the downs can lead to attraction loss. For example, let's say you have a great date with a girl, but then she gets distant during the week. So you go no contact for a few days, and then she is suddenly eager to talk to you again after a few days later. What can be the reason for this hot and cold behavior? A possibility is that first, she had a great time with you on the date. However, you then texted her too much during the week, which crowded her space and made her go distant. You then went no contact and gave her the space she needed in order to draw her back towards you, which made her eager to talk to you again. Now, if you kept pursuing when she got distant, you would have pushed her away even further. That's what most guys do when a woman pulls away and they think they're going to lose her. They panic and they fall for the illusion of action, thinking that they have to do more. That's why, when a girl gets distant, wait for her to come to you. Don't pummel her phone with texts, asking her what's wrong. It will push her away. Okay, now let's say your girlfriend wants to break up with you. If she ends up breaking up with you, then I recommend that you read my free ebook called 7 Dangerous Mistakes That Stop You from Getting Your Ex-Girlfriend Back. Inside, I reveal 7 sneaky mistakes that you must avoid and that you might not notice. It's easy to get the ebook. Just go to xbackebook.com, enter your email, and I'll send it to you. And that's all for today. This is Frankie Cola, and thanks for watching.